In the last video, I explained about machine learning terminologies, but I think I need to explain it a little bit more. So remember in this example of the cupcake, let's go to the diabetes data, okay? And let's say we have data set here and here and here. These are the data set for people, okay, who got the diabetes and who didn't got the diabetes. And then since it's a machine, it's a supervised learning and it's a classification problem, I'm going to use 3 algorithms, okay? Here I'm going to use logistic regression, and here I'm going to use decision tree, and here I'm going to use support vector machine. These are all algorithms, and these algorithms are used for classification, okay? After I trained the data to this algorithm, I have a model, and I will call this one our logistic regression model, because this model was created after the algorithm found or learned the data or the patterns. I feed the data to this algorithm, and the algorithms find the patterns and it learns it, and after he learns it, he creates a model, and I will call this one a logistic regression model. Why? Because this model was created by logistic regression algorithm. I think that's pretty much clear. Same thing here. I have a data, I trained it to the decision tree. After the decision tree learned from the data, he created a model, another model, and this one is called decision tree model. Why decision tree model? Because this model was created when decision tree learned, between brackets, found the patterns in that data. And same thing here. This data was fed to support vector machine algorithm, and then I have another model called support vector machine model. So now I have model number 1, model number 2, and model number 3. After I fed the test data to this model, I had an accuracy of 87%, and this one was 91%, and this one was 96%. So I'll say that support vector machine performed better than the other models or other algorithms. This is how it works. I kind of felt that the last video wasn't clear enough. That's why I made a part 2 of machine learning terminologies, as this thing that I just explained, it's kind of like the foundation for data science and machine learning. I hope now you know the difference between algorithm and the model. Okay, algorithms is a bunch of statistical techniques that are used to train the data, okay? And model is created which represent the data. So I have a data here, I feed it to the algorithm learned the data by finding the patterns, and then it creates a model for me, and I'm going to call it logistic regression model, because that model was created by the logistic regression algorithm. And then I'm going to test the data after I throw it onto the model, because the model now model is learned. Now the model was created after the logistic regression learned from the data, found the patterns. Then I will feed the test data. Logistic regression didn't see the test data because I was training only by the training data, okay? And then I will have the accuracy of how accurate the model give me the accuracy of this test data. I hope now it's clear. See you in the next video.